Hello and welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you that how you can download Ubuntu 24 latest version. Okay, so how you can download the Ubuntu 24. Let's go to the Chrome browser. Okay, you can use any browser, whatever you want to do. Okay. So search in the Google Ubuntu download. Okay, and enter. You can see the first official link. Okay, click on the first official link and now accept all the policies. Okay, so now you can see Ubuntu 24.4.3 LTS. LTS stand for long term support. Okay, so this is the LTS latest version, long term support. Okay, so just click download and you will download the 5.9 GB ISO file. Okay, so click on download. And now you can see the downloading is started. Okay, you can see here the downloading is started. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, so just wait. And thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.